everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to change hotspot network name on Poco M7 Pro. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you who don't know that changing a hotspot name it make it easier for us to identify your specific hotspot, especially in crowded public area, and can help prevent connection to unintended network. And additionally, it allows for a more personalized touch, distinguishing your hotspot from others, and especially when sharing with your friends. Alright then, to change the hotspot name, now you can go to settings menu, and then now you can go to portable hotspot, and then after that now you can go to set up portable hotspot, and then after that now you can change the hotspot name or the network name, and then if you're finished you can click checklist and your hotspot network name is already changed. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial, and then thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video.